if someone is having nasal allergy due to dust, they will present with the running nose, sneezing, nasal obstruction, itching eye, itching ear. So these patient they need more workup to identify the correct allergen, so they can avoid allergen, and then if needed they can be started with the allergen immunotherapy or allergy vaccination, and can be given controller medicine nasal spray for to treat allergy, can get reliever medicine to improve allergy. If any of your friend is having same issue, please share the reel with them. Hope this helps.